Okay, so this short video, just call it AwasAwasODE because of the common mistakes that are done in this course. Okay, now the first one is when we are dealing with first order differential equation, let's say linear equations. Let's see just an example. Let's say we have xy prime minus y equals to x squared cosine x. So this is a linear equation. So to solve it, the first step will be to find the standard form, y prime minus 1 over x y equals x cosine x. Then we need the integrating factor. Okay, so before that we write ex is negative 1 over x. So the integrating factor mu x is exponential integral of px, which is negative 1 over x dx. So this will be exponential minus ln x. Sometimes we tend to see, so this is the hours here, this is not minus x. Okay, so rather we have to write it as exponential ln x power negative 1, which is x power negative 1. So this is 1 hour. Okay, the second example is about the same. Just now we have y, the formula for getting the solution is 1 over mu x integral of mu x fx dx. So from the first example, we'll obtain 1 over mu x, which was x power negative 1, that means x. Integral of mu x is x power negative 1, and fx is x cosine x dx. So at the end, we have x times integral of cos x dx. So here, the hours is to say that this is not x sine x plus c, but should be x times sine x plus c, which is a different story. Now, the third one is when we are solving Cauchy equations. Let's say we have x squared y second plus x y prime minus y equals x cubed exponential x. Now, this Cauchy, the way of solving it is first to get yc, which will have the form c1 y1 plus c2 y2. Then to find yp, we know that yp using the rational parameters will be u1 y1 plus u2 y2. And for example, for u prime 1, the formula is minus y2 fx over the 1 second of y1 and y2. Now here is the hours. Fx is not x cubed exponential x, because we need to remember that we need to go to the standard form. So actually fx is x cubed ex divided by x squared, which is x exponential x. Okay, so this is another common mistake. Okay, the last one is about Laplace transform. Let's say we have Laplace of exponential t times sine 3t. Now, this is a common mistake, probably with the stress in final exams. Sometimes people write that this is exponential t times Laplace of exponential, sine 3t. So this is a big hours, because of course we don't have Laplace of product to be the product of Laplace. So we need to write using the first translation theorem that we have Laplace of sine 3t. Once we get the result, we have to replace s with s minus 1. So these are some of the common mistakes and that can change a lot in your results.